Babiyahe na tayo papunta na lang ito. Kaya Skytrain. Skytrain to Terminal 3.
Pauwi na tayo bukas. So, Skytrain. Yung pinakamalala. Ngayon pa. Sa Singapore.
It's okay, so babiyahe na tayo papunta na langit. Kaya Skytrain. Go to heaven with our lost souls. Dadali ko na kayo sa langit. Yung kabila papunta po ng impyerno. We are now going to the train to the city.
Para makakita mo lang kasi kada term.
If you can read, if you can speak in English, you're not going to be lost.
You're not going to what? To be lost.
To be lost. Lost.
Tama ba yun?
Jewel Changi.
Kung
Jewel.
hindi tayo nag-train, dyan tayo makakapunta.
This is the other side. This is the Crown Plaza. So good luck to us on walking around the world.
Yun yung gusto ko.
Yeah. We're praying to the city.
So mga 12K tayo per day. 12,000.
Yep.
Steps pa.
Ano po itong mga sculpture na ito? Ito tinatawag nilang puting sili.
Hansai for Singapore. Flora inspiration.
Puting sili, tsaka puting
Hansai for
sibuyas. Bawang.
Uy, grabe. Made of marble. Ang tigas.
Bawang po yan. Ganyan po kasi maamon nyo dito.
Floral nga.
Amoy sibuyas, bawang, amoy tinapay, putok.
Amoy sinigang na miso.
Amoy kambing na hindi naligo ng 3 araw.
3 araw lang?
3 araw at 10 taon. O yan.
Yaw-yaw. Yan naman si Lolo.
If your brief is falling down, it's yaw.
Card.
Yeah.
Ang laki. Ang laki, grabe.
Still a long way, my friend. Where are we now? We're in Singapore.
Where are we?
Where terminal? Ah, this is the terminal. Hindi pala.
This is Terminal 3 there.
Okay.
Ang laki.
The train to the city is there. The bus to the city is there. A bus to Terminal 4.
Titimbang ako pag uwi.
Let's go.